about how, when it comes to the SK, there have been studies that indicate that they are beholden to the barangay captains, especially when it comes to funding. In particular, there was a 2022 study by the Ateneo de Manila University, which found that SK councils remain financially beholden to barangay captains despite the law mandating that they have their own bank accounts and direct control over their funds. Ang tanong po natin ay, is the DILG aware of this problem, and are they doing something concrete about it?
Yeah, yes, sir. I can give you further statistics on that. The SK, sir, after the first year of election, only 60% are attending the meetings. After 2 years, only 50%, and after 3 years, only 30%. So that leads those absences leads the barangay captain to impose his will on the council, because the SK, as it is currently formed, has increased the age from 15 to 25 years old. And that age range, most of them either go to work, go to college, or get married during their incumbency. So because of the defect of that law, the barangay captains take over most of the functions of the SK, and they're just made to sign. If I were to make a personal, and I take this as a personal recommendation, I would rather that the SK be abolished because of the trend that it continuously goes down in participation and the barangay captains take over. I would rather that the SK chairman be appointed, and for those non-performance be replaced by someone else. That's just a personal opinion, sir.
Well, short of abolishing the SK, what is your department doing to address this problem?
Sir, every year
it appears to be a very big problem.
it's a huge problem, sir.
Yes.
It's a huge problem. Every year, we have an accounting of those who are still participating and not, and we constantly monitor it and make recommendations. As far as the real politic goes, it is up to the SK chairman to report to us directly and make allegations directly for us to act on it. And even that, they are scared to do. That's why the real politic of the situation, for me, and this is only my opinion, should be changed, that the youth councils would be better if it were constituted by the barangay captain themselves and having the non-performance replaced immediately. Sir, the SK does not have a mechanism for replacement. It only has a replacement for resignation. And in this case, only 30% function after 3 years, and their terms are extended further. And this leads to where that is where the abuse comes in.
Well, I'm sure for
Congressman Jokno,
Yes, sir.
before you ask one more your next question, I would like to yield the floor, the chair first, to Congressman Go.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'm sure the progressive SKs would be up in arms about abolishing the SK system. But
I am too, sir. It's just a personal opinion, sir. It's nothing that I have opined for a change in the charter, but it is just an opinion of mine personally.